I'm not from your family.
Where do you live in Daytona?
I live by like the race. I live on Bellamy by the racetrack. My boyfriend, he's out of town. He's in Nashville right now. He's the only one that I know here. And then my family is all my mom is in Georgia, and then the rest of my family is in Illinois.
On April 4th, 2025, a Florida sheriff's deputy stopped a 22-year-old motorist after observing an illegal U-turn and a drift over a solid traffic line. 25 minutes of body cam footage later, she was under arrest for DUI, an encounter that demonstrates how Florida law operates when both parties follow procedure.
Dispatch received.
Hello, Deputy Harrison, Flagler County Sheriff's Office. Are you lost or something?
Yes, I've never been in this town, and I have my maps pulled up, and I'm trying to take that exit, and it told me to turn there, and then I realized I couldn't turn there, so I tried.
Yeah, all I saw was like you make a left, then randomly re-enter the intersection and go back. Where are you coming from?
So I live in Daytona. I was coming from down by. I was at the dog bar earlier, and then we were down on. I don't even know the street. I'm not from this area, so I.
Okay, whose vehicle is this?
This is my mom's.
Okay, driver's license, registration, insurance, please. Dog bar, what is that?
The Good Times Dog Bar. I was there earlier, and then I was just at Johnny D's.
Okay, how much you had to drink tonight?
I had like two.
Two what?
2 margaritas.
When?
Like.
Huh?
Like I just left from there, so.
Like within an hour ago, 30 minutes ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Registration, insurance, please. How old are you?
I'm 22. I'll be 23 in May.
You mind stepping out right quick? And then just grab your registration. There's no guns in the vehicle or anything?
No, not at all. So, that should be the registration.
Cool. This is the insurance. Do you have the registration? That's not it.
I might have it on my phone. I don't.
Okay, you mind just stepping out real quick? Make sure the dog doesn't run away or nothing. You can leave the dog in the vehicle for now. And just walking over to the front of my vehicle, please. Oh, be careful. All right, so how much you said you had to drink?
I had 2 margaritas at Johnny D's.
Okay, what are those 2 shot things that are on the ground in the vehicle?
Shot things?
Or those little plastic cups?
Oh, those are from Starbucks. Those are old pup cups from my dog. From like, they're literally, they probably have a Starbucks logo on them. I promise you.
Okay, and how big would you say the margaritas are? The reason I'm asking is because your eyes are a little bit watery. They're a little bit red. Like I said, like I'm driving westbound on 100 there, and I see you make a left turn. I believe the light was even red, and because the straightaway was green, and then the left turn was red. Then you just re-enter the westbound lane from the middle of the intersection. And then after you make your U-turn here, you kind of drift over this slotted line here. So I just want to make sure you're not impaired or anything.
No, I definitely had some drinks, but really I don't know this area, and I was reading my maps, and my maps was telling me to turn somewhere, and then I was going, and then I saw the do not enter, so I was like, do not enter, so I
oh, so you almost went the wrong way is what you were going to go the...
Yeah, because I was trying to take this exit, because I live in Daytona, so I'm trying to get back to Daytona.
Sure. Alrighty. Stand by. Delta 221 Flagler.
Delta 221.
1069, possible, 71.
Flagler Delta 223, can you be in a row?
Alrighty. So yeah, like I said, you're showing me some indicators of, minor indicators of impairment. Like I said, glassy, watery red eyes, driving the wrong way, and just abruptly re-entering traffic and stuff like that. So I want to do some field sobriety exercises on you, make sure you're good to drive. You good to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. There's no weapons on you or anything?
No.
Okay. We're gonna wait for another deputy to get here. It's a female deputy. We'll get this thing going. Real quick, are you diabetic or anything?
LE primary.
Okay, do you have any back problems?
No.
Okay, why are you crying?
She's anxious. I don't get pulled over very often, so I don't know.
Okay, well, I mean, if you're not, impaired, we got nothing to worry about. I'm not here to ruin your day or anything, but we go through some exercises. If you're good, you drive out of here. I won't even give you a ticket for anything. Step 4. However, if you do display the indicators of impairment, then we go another route. It's really that simple. How are you feeling right now?
Fine, just upset and nervous.
Okay. No need of, we're all good. You said, do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear contacts.
Are you wearing them now?
Yes.
Okay. You want to keep them in? If you see, you need them
please.
to. Yeah. Okay. We'll just wait for this female deputy and get a show on the road. Do you mind? We'll just go over here on the sidewalk where it's pretty level. Let's go over here. Over here, please. Can you just park over here and just turn your takedowns on so we could see? All right, just take a breath. There's no need to be nervous or anything.
I don't know, like if I have to go somewhere, I don't have anyone to take care of my dog.
Well, nobody said you're going to jail right now. Like I said.
I know, I'm just, like, I don't know, I've never done this before, so I'm nervous.
Okay. Are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety exercises?
Yes,
Okay.
The only person I have here, I'm not from Florida in general.
Worst case scenario, if you are for whatever reason arrested, we would take your dog to the Humane Society and they would just be kept there until you're released or someone could get them. All right. So, real quick, you said you have no back problems or anything? No traumatic brain injuries?
No.
All right. No traumatic ear injuries or anything? Nothing that affects your normal ability to walk or stand or do anything? Nothing that affects your equilibrium?
No.
You said you wear contacts and you're not diabetic?
Correct.
Okay. Do you mind just standing with your feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe, facing me? 221 Flagler, starting field sobriety. All right, so what I want you to do is put your hands down at your sides like this. All right, you see the tip of this pen?
Mm-hmm.
Can you touch the tip of this pen with your finger? Go put your finger back. So I want you to follow the tip of this pen with your eyes only. All right, do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
So do not move your neck, your body, your head, just follow with your eyeballs. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Keep following the pen. All right, next we're going to do the walk and turn. You can relax for now. For this exercise, we don't have a...
I have tape. You want tape?
Yeah, sure. Just take a breath. I mean,
I'm sorry.
if you freak yourself out, you're going to,
I know. Sorry.
Alrighty, if you don't mind, if you could just stand here at this line here. So what we're going to do now is the walk and turn. For this exercise, just listen for now. What you're going to do is you're going to put your left foot forward on our line here. Not yet. With the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left foot, just like this, alright? With your hands down at your sides. Do you understand that? This is the starting position. Do you understand? Can you get in the starting position, please?
Like this?
Yeah. Keep your hands down at your sides. Alright, so when I tell you to, don't do it yet. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps. Get back in that position, please. When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps on our line here. Alright, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so forth until 9. To turn around, you're going to take a series of small steps, keeping your lead foot on the line. It's going to look like this. You're going to continue back down until 9. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Alright, once you start walking, do not stop until you complete the exercise. Count each step out loud and look down at your feet. Ensure each step is heel to toe. Make sure that the heel touches the toe. Alright, and keep your hands down at your sides. Do you have any questions about the exercise? Please get back in the starting position. Unless...
Can I take a breath? Sorry.
Sure.
I'm sorry.
Are you ready to begin?
I guess. I don't know.
Do you have any questions about the instructions?
No, I just feel really anxious, you guys. I'm sorry. Y'all hear this all the time. I get it. It's okay. Whatever. Okay.
So put your foot in front. There you go. You ready? Begin.
Like heel to toe, like this.
Do you want me to go back? Do you want me to re-explain the instructions, or do you have any questions?
It's heel to toe for 9.
So you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps on the line. You're gonna count each step out loud and look down at your feet. Once you start, don't stop until you complete the exercise. To turn around, you're gonna take a series of small steps, keeping your lead foot on the line. Then you're gonna return back and take 9 steps. Do you have any questions? Do you need a demonstration? All right, you may begin.
Or do you want me to count? I'm sorry.
Just continue as you were instructed.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
All right. Next, we're going to do the one leg stand. For this exercise, what you're going to do is you're going to choose either leg, left or right. You're going to raise it 6 inches off the ground or the height of a soda can. All right, it's going to look like this. You see how my foot is parallel to the ground?
Yes.
All right, so it's not like this or like that, or it's parallel to the ground. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, while you're in that position, you're going to count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003. And you're going to keep on counting until I tell you to stop. Excuse me, do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right. If your foot touches the ground, immediately pick it back up and just continue where you left off. Keep your hands down at your side and look down at your feet. Do you understand the instructions as I've explained them?
Yes.
All right. You got it? All right. You may begin.
2011, 2012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017.
That's stop. Alrighty, so lastly, what we're going to do is the finger to nose exercise. So for this one, you're going to have your stand with your feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe. Alright, you're going to have your index fingers pointed out. Don't do it yet, I'm just demonstrating. When I tell you to, you're going to bring the hand direct upward and touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose. You immediately bring your hand back down to your side after instructed to do that. For example, during this exercise, your eyes will be closed and your head will be tilted back. So it'll look like this. Left. Except your eyes will be closed and your head will be tilted back. Alright, do you have any questions about the instructions? Alright, close your eyes. Head tilted all the way back.
All the way, like?
Yeah, like that, yeah. Index fingers pointed out. Alright, ready? Left. Immediately bring your hand back down to your side. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Alrighty, so you did show indicators of impairment. You are going to jail for DUI. You didn't run your back. Just clasp them like you're praying. You can call her 1015.
Begin with the constitutional foundation. Under Whren versus United States, decided in 1996, observed traffic violations. Supply the objectively reasonable basis required for a Fourth Amendment seizure. The deputy's exit order was authorized under Pennsylvania versus Mims, decided in 1977. Once a stop is lawful, an officer may direct the driver out without any additional individualized suspicion. The subject's roadside admission to 2 margaritas 30 minutes before driving was admissible. Berkemer versus McCarty, decided in 1984, treats traffic stops as investigative rather than custodial encounters. Florida codifies impaired driving in Code Section 316.193, subsection 1, paragraph A. Criminalizes operating a vehicle while normal faculties are impaired by alcoholic beverages, no specific blood alcohol threshold required. This impairment of normal faculties theory is critical. The deputy did not need a breath or blood test to establish probable cause. The driving pattern, physical indicators, and admission together satisfy the legal standard. Standardized field sobriety tests are evaluated under National Highway Traffic Safety Administration protocols. 3 exercises are scientifically validated: horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and 1-leg stand, each with established clue thresholds. The horizontal gaze nystagmus test observes 6 total clues across both eyes. NHTSA validation studies establish that 4 or more clues correlate with a blood alcohol level at or above 0.08 with approximately 88% accuracy. HGN evidence is admissible in Florida courts under State versus Taylor, decided in 1995, provided the officer holds NHTSA certification and the test is administered consistent with standardized procedures. The walk and turn is a divided attention test, scoring 8 standardized clues. 2 or more clues correlate with impairment at 79% accuracy. The subject's verbal struggle with instructions itself counts as a documented clue. The 1-leg stand assesses balance through 4 scored clues: swaying, arm use, hopping, foot drop. 2 or more clues correlate with impairment at 83% accuracy. The 30-second protocol may be terminated early without compromising results. SFST exercises are physical performance tests, not testimonial communications. Pennsylvania versus Muniz, decided in 1990, holds that observable physical responses fall outside Fifth Amendment protection, regardless of Miranda timing. Probable cause for warrantless DUI arrest rests on totality of circumstances, driving pattern, physical indicators, admission, and SFST clues converging together. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, confirms warrantless misdemeanor arrest authority. Florida Code Section 901.15 codifies arrest authority for any Chapter 316 offense committed in the officer's presence. The deputy's arrest decision was therefore both constitutionally and statutorily authorized. Chemical testing follows arrest under Florida Code Section 316.1932, the Implied Consent Statute. Refusal triggers automatic license suspension and creates evidentiary inferences admissible at trial. Birchfield versus North Dakota, decided in 2016. Restructured implied consent doctrine. Breath tests remain permissible as searches incident to lawful DUI arrest. Blood tests, however, require warrant, actual consent, or genuine exigency.
What about my?
We're gonna take it to the Humane Society.
No way.
Yeah. Unless you have someone nearby that can take.
I don't have anyone.
Okay, then we're gonna take it to the Humane Society, and then you can contact them in the morning and retrieve.
Wait,
Hold on, let me lock these cuffs up. What's your question?
I don't have anyone around here. I'm not from your family.
Where do you live in Daytona?
I live by I live on Berkemer by the racetrack. My boyfriend, he's out of town. He's in Nashville right now. He's the only one that I know here. And then my family is all my mom is in Georgia, and then the rest of my family is in Illinois. I don't.
Delta 221 Delta.
Would
So yeah, so we're gonna 1081 rotation for the vehicle. So we're gonna tow the car. All that information is gonna be on your arrest affidavit, and then the dog's gonna go to the Humane Society. All right.
and
So,
where here?
It's like 15 minutes to drive from here. So all that information will be on the arrest paper. So we gotta search it. We're gonna get you going. Alrighty.
No, wait.
No, we're not waiting. We take DUI enforcement serious around
I
here.
get that. Okay.
I'm just searching her right quick.
You hang on, you're just gonna stick your hand in me?
No, but
Or
wait.
your feet?
Okay. And can I get my boyfriend's number out of my phone?
Yeah, we'll grab all that. Well, you'll be able to go through your phone to get numbers.
I don't even have my mom's number. She got a new number and I don't have it.
You don't have your mom's in your cell phone?
I have it in my phone. I just don't
You'll be able to go through your phone and get phone numbers at the jail, assuming your behavior is, adequate.
I'll be fine. I'm just scared.
I get it. What's your phone number? And what's the dog's name?
Tito, Tito.
What kind of dog is it?
The dog's
Dachshund. And it's a male?
Yes.
He's friendly?
He's friendly. He's
Okay. Give me a minute.
Flagler Delta 221, Delta 226,
Fuck. Fuck
220.
me. Fuck me.
Delta 221
Delta 221.
Go to jail and let you talk about something else to know.
dog is?
He's in the vehicle. I'll give you the address to the Humane Society, or I'll put it in the arrest. I'll put it in the arrest report.
Well, can I? Like, when will I be able to get him? Because I don't.
As soon as you're released, you can go.
Do you know when that will be? I don't have anyone.
It's 8 hours. You can bond out 8 hours from now. First appearance will be in the morning.
You're very monotone, sir.
Huh?
You're very monotone.
I'm monotone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Is that how you normally are?
When I'm working, I just try to keep it unbiased and professional.
Okay.
10-14, 10-20.
This has never happened to me. I would just.
Yeah, I saw you never been arrested before.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have comfort, I guess. I don't know. This is scary.
I know.
You don't really seem to care. I guess that's your job.
One more time?
It seems like you don't really care. But, like, I guess that's your job. I don't know.
No, I care, but for what it's worth, I don't want to take you to jail. Like, you seem like a nice little girl, but I can't. I never have leeway with DUI, so to me it doesn't matter how nice you are. Like, I'm gonna do my job.
No, that's fair. That's fair. That's good. I'm really just worried about my dog.
No, yeah, your dog.
It's my baby.
We're not gonna take your dog away or anything. We're just gonna go to the Humane Society.
And I just don't have anyone here right now to take care of me. If this was a different time, I would have my boyfriend I would feel safer because he's in town, but he's out of town, and I'm really just scared because I have no family and like absolutely nobody. So I'm really nervous. I'm really scared.
You'll be able to call them when you get out of jail. They'll let you go through your phone to call to get numbers out.
Was there no way for me to get like picked up tonight and just towed? Was that never an option?
So that's what I'm saying. Like I said, I think you're a nice young lady, but I never ever I never give people breaks on DUI. So if I all of a sudden do it for you, then that is bad. So I can't. I do all my DUIs the same. I'm really scared. Like, am I gonna be by myself or am I gonna be with somebody? But I just want to go home. I really just want to go home. I don't. My dog, he gets really scared. Is he gonna be? They're not gonna put him with other dogs, are they? No,
like,
no.
the only thing I hear about the Humane Society is that that's where you go to put your dog down. So.
No, we're not gonna kill your dog.
I fucking hope not.
We're not gonna take your dog away. We're not gonna kill him. We just have to. We can't watch him, so we have to take him to house while you're, not willing.
I have a genuine question. Because I'm just curious.
Yeah.
I'm not being mean or anything.
Sure.
Like, do you guys get, like, brownie points or something when you bring somebody to jail? I just really wondered.
No.
Oh, okay. You just do it. Because
Doing my job.
you're supposed to. Because, like, at work, I get brownie points if I sell certain things.
Brownie points? I wouldn't say brownie points. I mean, Like if you had like 10 kilos of cocaine, I'd get some props for it.
Well, yeah, but I don't do that.
The vehicle inventory search is governed by South Dakota versus Opperman, decided in 1976. Standardized inventory procedures do not constitute Fourth Amendment searches and require neither probable cause nor warrant. The subject's emotional outbursts during the search remain protected speech under City of Houston versus Hill, decided in 1987. The deputy's restraint in not adding obstruction or disorderly charges reflects appropriate prosecutorial discretion. Florida's first offense DUI penalty structure includes up to 6 months jail, fines between $500 and $1,000, 50 hours community service, 6 to 12-month license revocation, and mandatory DUI school under Code, Section 3, 16.1, 93, subsection 6. Deputy Harrison earns an A. The stop rested on observable violations. The SFST sequence followed NHTSA standards. The female deputy coordination protected investigative integrity, and the uniform DUI enforcement statement reflected procedural fairness. The female assisting deputy earns an A. Her role as safety witness during SFST administration was procedurally sound and unobtrusive, supporting the primary investigation without compromising its integrity. The subject earns a C-. Cooperation throughout the encounter, truthful disclosure, no flight, no resistance substantially mitigated her exposure, but could not retroactively cure the underlying decision to drive after consuming alcohol. The department earns an A-. Bodycam coverage, multi-deputy coordination, animal welfare protocols, and standardized inventory procedures all functioned as designed. Modern policing infrastructure performed at expected standards. 4 legal takeaways from this case. First, DUI under Florida law does not require a specific blood alcohol number. The impairment-of-normal-faculties theory operates independently of any breath or blood result. Second, SFST clues are scientific evidence, not subjective opinion. NHTSA validation studies establish accuracy ranges that allow these observations to support probable cause and survive evidentiary challenge. Third, cooperation reduces collateral exposure but cannot cure underlying violations. Refusing SFST or chemical testing adds administrative penalties without eliminating the primary charge. Compliance is the tactically correct choice once the stop has occurred. Fourth, the true cost of a Florida DUI extends well beyond the formal sentence. Towing, attorney fees, court costs, increased insurance premiums, and license reinstatement combine to roughly $5,000 to $10,000 per first offense. The proper response after consuming alcohol is unambiguous. A rideshare from any Florida bar to any Florida residence costs between $15 and $40. The math against driving impaired is overwhelming. Let us know what legal topics you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel for additional body cam analysis. Stay safe out there.